The use of neon signs in Las Vegas began in the 1930s, with the Oasis Cafe being one of the first establishments to use neon lighting. Many neon signs in Las Vegas feature iconic symbols and designs, such as the famous Welcome to Fabulous Las Vegas sign and the Stardust Resorts and Casinos. Stardust, the neon museum in Las Vegas, is dedicated to preserving and showcasing historic neon signs from the city's past. It features signs from old hotels, casinos, and businesses. The Neon Museum's outdoor exhibition space, known as the Neon Boneyard, is home to a vast collection of retired neon signs. Over the years, the design of neon signs in Las Vegas has evolved to reflect changing trends and styles. From the classic, retro designs of the 1950s and 1960s to the more modern and flashy designs of today, neon signs continue to be an integral part of Las Vegas' visual landscape. While traditional neon tubing is still used in many signs, newer technologies such as LED lighting have become increasingly popular due to their energy, efficiency, and versatility. Each old neon light in Las Vegas has a unique story, but here are a few notable ones. Welcome to Fabulous Las Vegas sign was erected in 1959. This iconic sign is a symbol of Las Vegas, designed by Betty Willis. It's one of the most photographed signs in the world, marking the southern entrance to the Las Vegas Strip. The Silver Slipper. This iconic neon sign, featuring a silver slipper, was once part of the Silver Slipper Gambling Hall. It stood on the Strip from 1950 to 1988, becoming a famous landmark during its time. Stardust Resort and Casino. The Stardust, with its distinctive star and lettering, was a legendary resort and casino on the Strip from 1958 to 2006. It hosted numerous famous entertainers and was known for its lavish shows and events. Moulin Rouge. Although not strictly on the Strip, the Moulin Rouge neon sign represents an important part of Las Vegas history. It was the first integrated hotel casino in Las Vegas when it opened in 1955, playing a significant role in breaking racial barriers in the city. The Aladdin Hotel and Casino, with its Arabian Nights themed neon sign, was a fixture on the Strip from 1966 to 1998. It underwent several renovations and name changes before being demolished to make way for the current Aladdin-themed resort, Planet Hollywood. The Sahara's distinctive camel-shaped neon sign, complete with animated blinking eyes, was a beloved fixture on the Strip from 1952 until the hotel's closure in 2011. The Normandy Motel is indeed famous for being one of the places where Elvis Presley stayed during his career. In fact, Elvis Presley and his manager, Colonel Tom Parker, stayed at the Normandy Motel during the early days of Elvis's career in the 1950s. This left a lasting impression on the motel's history. These neon signs tell the story of Las Vegas' evolution from a desert oasis to the entertainment capital of the world.